Gabby here from F&F. I wanted to jump on and show you guys this amazing soap from Baresop. It's made from recycled waste and is reusable, and I'm absolutely loving it. It comes with these little sachets, so whenever you need a refill, you just tip it in. Let me show you how to use it. Add 300 milliliters of warm water and the contents of 1 sachet to the bottle. Close and shake the bottle for 30 seconds. The hand wash is now ready to be used. Just look at that foam, we are obsessed. Done in just 3 easy steps.